Guys, today we'll talk about how can you start calibrate speed on your Lumosity app, or you go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just come here to verse calibrate speed. You just click on it here. So when you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on search. You just click on search, come to this list here, and here can you play it here in this list on your Lumosity app. So that's all you have to do here. That's all. I wish now you are accurate. So just follow this ways here, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.